Welcome to today's architectural journey where elegance meets practicality in one compact masterpiece. In this video, we explore Farmhouse Chic, a tiny house built for elegant living, a design that blends rural charm with modern sophistication. This tiny home embodies the perfect balance between warmth, beauty, and smart spatial planning, proof that luxury doesn't need massive square footage to shine. From the beginning, the vision for this tiny house was clear: create a dwelling that captures the cozy spirit of classic farmhouses while elevating it with refined, contemporary touches. Every design element, from textures to trims, aims to evoke nostalgia without feeling dated. The architect's challenge was to create something timeless, grounded in tradition, yet undeniably modern. The exterior showcases weathered wood details, crisp white siding, and matte black window frames, instantly delivering that signature farmhouse chic look. A compact front porch adds personality and warmth, making the structure feel welcoming despite its small footprint. Subtle roof angles and clean lines modernize the look, balancing rustic honesty with architectural elegance. One of the biggest design wins of this tiny house is its incredible use of natural light. Oversized windows, carefully positioned skylights, and glass panel doors create an airy atmosphere, making the home feel larger than its square footage. Light becomes an architectural tool here, expanding sight lines, increasing comfort, and adding a soft, glowing charm throughout the interior. Step inside and you're greeted by a living area that feels both intimate and stylish. The architect relies on layered textures, linen cushions, reclaimed wood shelving, soft neutral tones, to build a cozy environment. Despite its size, the space accommodates conversation, relaxation, and visual breathing room, proving that thoughtful materials can make small spaces feel luxurious. The kitchen is a highlight, featuring farmhouse staples like shaker cabinets, butcher block countertops, and matte black hardware. The layout prioritizes workflow and storage, using vertical space to keep clutter hidden. Every inch works with intention. It's a chef-friendly setup wrapped in modern farmhouse chic aesthetics, making cooking a visual and functional pleasure. The bedroom is designed as a peaceful retreat, fully optimized for rest and privacy. Soft textiles, warm wood accents, and carefully placed lighting create a serene atmosphere. Clever built-ins maximize storage without overwhelming the space. Even in a tiny home, the architect ensures there's room for comfort, quiet, and personal space. Though compact, the bathroom stands out with its minimalist farmhouse character. Subway tiles, brushed metal fixtures, and a walk-in shower deliver both function and beauty. The architect uses visual tricks like vertical lines and reflective surfaces to make the room feel taller and brighter, proving that even small bathrooms can be stunning. Storage nooks, convertible furniture, and multifunctional zones define this tiny home's ingenuity. The architect's design ensures that form never compromises function. Every corner has a purpose, whether it's hidden compartments, sliding panels, or dual-use furniture. These smart solutions make the home not only livable, but strikingly efficient. This tiny farmhouse chic home is a testament to how great design can elevate even the smallest spaces. It blends warmth, charm, and modern elegance into a cohesive architectural statement. As we wrap up this full reveal, remember that elegant living isn't about size. It's about intention, atmosphere, and the beauty of well-crafted spaces.